We have to take a strong stand now against terrorism, and George Galloway is a bagman for Hamas.
About 200 protesters turned up at federal court on Monday about the case of a British MP denied access to Canada for allegedly supporting terrorist groups.
He is not a humanitarian. He is not a peacenik. He is a man of war. He is a man who chooses his words carefully. He is a man who incites violence against Jews and against Israel, and believes deep down in his very being and his very core in the destruction of Israel and the destruction of the West.
The case involving George Galloway, who has been denied access into Canada by immigration officials for allegedly supporting terrorist groups, was adjourned until Wednesday.
The concern, of course, for us is that this is actually an unprecedented attack on free speech in this country, and in particular it's unprecedented because no British Member of Parliament has ever been refused entry. And the notion that this is somehow a security issue is belied by the fact that George Galloway speaks in the British Parliament every day. They let him in there and don't consider him a security threat.
Outside the court, half of the protesters were chanting "Defends free speech," while the other side chanted "No support of terrorism." For the Toronto Sun, I'm Kevin Connor.